We truly believe in the value of good, healthy scratch food for young people. This is who we are.
Scratch cooking is making food from ingredients as opposed to buying products that have already been made for you. If you go to our kitchens, you'll see our chefs making their own stock from the vegetable trimmings, making their own salad dressings.
When you make things from scratch, all you're paying for is the pure ingredients. The meat, the flour, the produce, all the vegetables, that's all you're paying for.
We're baking our own breads, we're making all our own desserts, we're making all our own dressings and gravies and sauces. I don't do things the easy way because the easy way is just to use a box cutter. We start from scratch for as much as we can.